To open a BMO student account, start by determining if you are eligible, as this type of account is designed for students enrolled in a Canadian university or college. You will need to provide proof of enrollment, which can be a letter from your school or a copy of your tuition bill. Next, gather the required documents, including a valid government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and your social insurance number. You may also need to provide proof of address, such as a utility bill or lease agreement. Now, go to the BMO website or visit a local branch to begin the application process. If you are applying online, you will need to fill out the application form and upload your required documents. If you are applying in person, be sure to bring all of your documents with you. Once your application is submitted, it will be reviewed and processed. This may take a few days, and you will receive an email or phone call to confirm that your account is open. You will then be able to set up your online banking and mobile banking, and receive your debit card and checks. It is also important to understand the features and benefits of a BMO student account. This type of account typically offers no monthly fees, unlimited transactions, and a low or no minimum balance requirement. You may also have access to a credit card or line of credit, and be eligible for rewards or discounts on certain banking products. To get the most out of your BMO student account, be sure to take advantage of the available features and benefits. Set up automatic bill payments and transfers to make managing your money easier. And use the mobile banking app to track your spending and stay on top of your account activity. You should also consider setting up a budget and tracking your expenses to ensure that you are staying within your means. Finally, be sure to review and understand the terms and conditions of your account, including any fees or interest rates that may apply. By following these steps and taking advantage of the features and benefits of a BMO student account, you can effectively manage your money and set yourself up for long-term financial success.